Hi there, it's Norbert here with another episode of the Pro Tools Video Dictionary. In this episode, you'll learn about the Track Sidepane. Please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. And if you want to stay in the loop about my latest tips and tricks, please subscribe to my newsletter after watching the video. Now let's go. With the Track Sidepane, you quickly navigate the tracks in your session. You can show and hide your tracks with the little dot here, and you can select tracks by simply clicking their name. Note that you can also reorder tracks by simply clicking and dragging them around. When you're selecting tracks, note the three modifiers. Alt selects or deselects everything. Shift will make a continuous selection, and Command can make non-continuous selections. Now, the track list pop-up menu has great options to show and hide tracks by selection or type. And there's also an option here to reorder tracks easily. That's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. Here's a question for you. Which other Pro Tools functions would you like me to cover in future videos? Please let me know down in the comments. Now, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button and share with your friends. And if you're interested in more tips about Pro Tools and audio production, subscribe to my newsletter right now. See you soon. Don't forget to make some noise.